Will Robinson here from Robinson's Auto Tools and Time.com. Welcome back. Today in the shop we have this 2011 Honda Pilot with the complaint that it does not feel right when they're driving around a bumpy road. They could hear it rattle and it just feels not the same. So my first thought going into this was, okay, you probably have a blown shock, and said the noise coming from the rear. I already jumped underneath there, took a quick peek. I started on the job, but I just wanted to give you guys a shot in case you have this problem. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. So without further ado, let's do it to it. First thing I came back, take a look. I see a little bit of wetness, not very bad on this side. Nothing real obvious. When I came over here, voila. You see we definitely have something going on with this shock. A lot of oil, scrapage. So we'll pop it off. We'll replace both of them. But I just want to show you, if you're getting that type of feeling like a fish boat, like it swaying back and forth when you make a turn, or just an unbalanced feeling, I guess, per se. This is usually a good sign that you have a blown shock. So you can tell it's definitely been rubbing, probably the source of the rattling noise as well. Maybe it's even, I don't know if it's broke, but it's kind of odd. It's leaning to one side like that. Should be more centered, I would think. But we'll have to pull it apart and see what's going on. I took and I saturate the backside with some penetrating oil. In addition, you'll see you'll have two bolts up top, well, one bolt, one nut. Saturated them as well. I'm gonna start on the bottom. What's your guess? What size is that one right there? All right, if you guessed 17 millimeter, you are correct. We'll see if the Earthquake XT can shake her loose. I haven't charged this thing in forever. With ease. I'm not sure how loaded this is. Looks like we have a stabilizer link. I might just put it down on the ground and finish removing it the rest of the way, and then raise it up just to see. Let's do that. I'm gonna get both sides loose right away. Set her down on the ground. There you go. Oh, there's the other side. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit, see what kind of travel we get out of it. Alright, next from up top, we have 14 millimeter. Shock. And we have our new shocks here. Take it, push this down a little bit, remove that. That looks good. That looks good. Make sure you start it in there nice and square. Nut reinstall. Check that with a ratchet. Click. Click. Now it's something to lay on and roll on. Now back underneath. You can see it didn't quite come down to where we need to go. I can just see it there. I'm gonna take a screwdriver, pry it down, close, into position. Put a bolt in, get that started. want to make sure she started straight, so I'm going to take a ratchet first. We're not going to run it down tight. We're going to run it down until it's like snug. Not even snug, just touching. Do that on both sides. Then I'm going to let all the pressure out the vehicle. I'm going to let the vehicle down all the way so it's in its normal ride height. Just give her a couple bounces. Right, now we take and torque them to spec. Good. Woo. Okay, so that's how you do the rear shocks. Pretty straightforward. I always tighten them up at its ride height, just so the bushings are probably in their neutral position, I'd say. So there's, on these ones it's not so bad, but it's just a practice. Next I'm going to move to the front and we're going to do the front struts. I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to cover that one. But anyways, for those of you that want to know how to do the rear shocks, pretty easy. You can even do it without removing the tire. So maybe to torque it might be easier, but you can see, it can be done.